Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to extract initials from name and abbreviation from full name without any formula. Here some data are given and I want here the first letter of first name and first letter of last name here. How can we get this initial here without any formula? You have to type manually in two lines. In third line you have to press Ctrl E to fill all the initial to the bottom. Just type here SA initial and FS, and in third line you have to press Ctrl E to fill initial to the bottom, and you will get all the initial very quickly. Very simple technique to get this initial without any formula. Let's see abbreviation. Here internet protocol, just type IP. Liquid crystal display, just type LCD here. In third line you have to press Ctrl E to get all the abbreviation. Very magic trick to get all the initial in Microsoft Excel without any formula. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.